What's up, everybody? Today we're in the garage and we have the Corvette up on the lift. It's a 2006 Z06. From my previous video you probably might have saw, but if you haven't, go back and check it out. We also have the Galat call out up on there too. If you haven't seen that, please check that out also. I was a little late of getting it put up, and as you can see, the garage is a mess too, and part of that is because of busted pipe in our house. So everything from inside the house got moved out here, and there's no sense finding a home for it out here because this is all going to be put right back inside as soon as our house gets put back together. But it's just kind of annoying right now to having all this in the way. But back to the Corvette. It's a 2006 Z06. It actually does have a cam in it already and a Pro Charger. The car was built back in like 2007, 2008. So the technologies have really improved. The car back then made like 620 rear wheel horsepower, which is definitely no slouch. There's a fly on the camera. Definitely no slouch, but with technologies improving now with cams and tunes and stuff like that, this car should definitely be able to make, I'm thinking, in the neighborhood of 700 rear wheel with a cam swap. It's also not had the heads done, so we're pulling the heads off and having them fixed and having them ported at the same time. The truck, I was finally able to get it washed and cleaned up. She still cleans up really well. You haven't seen this much in the videos since the last call out, actually, I think. And part of that is because we did put the TurboWorks EXA pump on there, but we're still having some issues with oil getting past the turbo seals. And I've come to the conclusion it's just that the turbo's tired, so we need to either rebuild that or replace it. I think it might just be a better option just to replace the turbo. My goals for this truck is to have it in the 11s, and I mean, it ran a 12.2 already, so that's definitely possible. But with a different turbo, I'm really anxious to see how it performs. But truck runs good. It's just having some turbo seal issues, so we'll get that taken care of and get some more content coming with this before the end of the season for sure. Before we pull the Corvette apart, let's fire it up, get a cold start sound clip of a before, and then we'll do one after we put it back together with the new cam and the ported heads. Let's get a sound clip. Does sound good already. It's got a P1SC Pro Charger on it. Definitely has a little Pro Charger whine, supercharger whine.